Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are from Man Sidoarjo as participant in the Malaysian Invention and Innovation Expo 2024 competition.
Proudly presenting research results with the title
Aksara.
Search Engineering Collaboration-Based Nusantara Language and Aksara Conservation Application.
Kamu tahu tak ini huruf apa?
Oh itu tuh huruf aksara Jawa.
Oh gitu, kamu kok bisa tahu huruf-huruf ini? Kamu belajarnya dari mana?
Nah, aku tuh belajar dari aplikasi ini.
In fact, Indonesia has a total of 718 different regional languages, 90% of which are spread in eastern Indonesia. So, don't be surprised if the students' problem is one form of obstacle about the use of regional languages that are less understood in the era of globalization. In the midst of globalization that affects people's mindset and behavior, Indonesia feels the challenge of cultural preservation is increasingly urgent. One aspect of the nation's identity crisis that is beginning to erode is the Nusantara language and Aksara. With the increasing number of this generation who prefer outside culture. As a result, the language and Aksara of the Nusantara begin to fade. This is what motivates researchers to make a language conservation application, namely Aksara. Aksara is an application that aims to facilitate access and use of Nusantara languages and Aksara through sophisticated search technology, and involves collaboration with local language and cultural experts. This kind of initiative can also be an inspiring example for other countries that have similar linguistic and cultural richness. Through collaboration between modern technology and local wisdom, we can celebrate and preserve our precious cultural heritage for future generations.
This Aksara research is an instructional development cycle design with the IDDIE model, which consists of analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Where research make the programming language used is PHP Hypertext Preprocessors, which is an open source server-side scripting programming language. So, that's the data from this application is not fixated on just one search. We also have a search engineering collaboration feature where users can add new vocabulary that is not yet listed in the application. This is useful for finding vocabulary in regional language that are difficult to find. Visitors can search for vocabulary on the display that has been provided, and then the display of the vocabulary searched by the visitors will appear. The Aksara application allows users to search and find Nusantara language and script. Users can enter keyword to search for data in the app database. If the data is available, the information will be displayed to the user. Otherwise, the users can add new data that will be stored in the app database.
We have interviewed 20 students from Man Sidoarjo covering various regional languages in Indonesia. The majority of respondents felt that the Aksara app was very helpful in learning and finding information about regional language vocabulary and Aksara. We see that the Aksara app really provides significant benefits to users, especially in expanding knowledge about regional languages in Indonesia. The advantage of this application include ease of operation on various devices, efficiency in the use of storage space, as well as the use of open source operations that enable extensive search collaboration. Based on the research survey conducted, the Aksara app proved to be very helpful in understanding and learning local languages and Aksara. As many as 85% of respondents felt that this application was very helpful, while 8% were quite helpful and 7% state that the application functioned normally. In addition, the survey data also showed that 90% of respondents felt that the Aksara app was very interesting, with 5% stating that it was quite interesting and felt that it was normal.
Aksara application is also open source and participatory, so the data from this application is not fixated on one source only. In addition, the development of the application still needs to be done, so that it can be more effective in its application in the community. Now, Aksara presents it with a beautiful touch and a sense of pride in preserving cultural heritage. From this Aksara innovation, the research team hopes to contribute to conservation efforts and further development in preserving the Nusantara language and script. Come on, let's join Aksara in connecting cultural heritage in a golden generation in the future. Aksara, together preserving cultural heritage with a modern touch.